Five Nights at Maggie's 2. So, yun na natin. Start na po natin. Okay. Wait, what the? Press. Ay, ano yun?
Hey,
Hello?
welcome to your new job. So, I will be recording these tapes to help you get through the night.
Ano to?
I know this seems like the usual boring security guard job, but
Okay.
it is not. Well, first, the basics.
Okay.
As you've probably already seen, you have a tablet with all the cameras from the warehouse and the vents. There are also other buttons which are play sound and close vents, but I will talk about them in a second. On your left there is a hallway and another little tablet which you can use to light the hallway and see if there's something there.
Ay.
There's also an electric shock button which I will also talk about in just a second. Now, as you probably already saw, there is an old animatronic stored there. This one is not supposed to be part of the tour, so that's why it's here.
Oh.
They don't really tell you why he's here, and when you ask, they say something along the lines of like, because he's too old, or because he doesn't represent John McAdam's work, which I think is a lie, but, well, what are you going to do? So, now there's a bit of a problem with these robots. I don't exactly know why it happens, but they tend to move at night. Again, you ask for an explanation, they always tell you, oh, it's their system malfunctioning, don't worry about it. Again, I don't believe them. Mainly because of what happened in the old restaurant with the owner and all the stories behind it.
Okay.
So, anyway, I'm gonna tell you what you should do to protect yourself from all of them, but today I'm gonna talk about 3 of them. So, there's Maggie and Chanchi. They will try and get you from the hallway. You can lure them away with the sound system on the cameras.
Okay.
Just play a sound in the camera they're in and they will go away. Although, there is a small chance that instead of moving back, they move forward, so
No.
always keep an eye. Now, if you see them in the hallway, use the shock system to give them a control shock. That might make them go away. There is a chance that they will still be there, so keep an eye there too. Then, there's Guppy.
Guppy.
Now, he will move towards you. If you use your flashlight, he'll go back to his place, but keep a close eye on him. He won't make any sound as he moves. He's really dangerous. Yeah, well, that's everything I have to say for today, and good luck with your first week. Bye.
Ooh. Okay. So, nasan na po tayo? Vent? Close vent? Tama ba ginawa ko? Cameras. Uy, nasan na ba ako? Wa! Uy! Gagi, bumabangon siya oh. Wait. Close vent. Hindi. Tama ba ginagawa ko? Tama ga ginagawa ko. Play sound. Paano mag-play sound dito ba? Vent. Ba yan? Uy, ano yun? May nakita ko. Wala. Cameras. Thank you. Oh! Boss! Ano na? Kala mo ha? No! Uy, kuryente! Vent. Asan na nga, Bo? Uy, pindutin mo yung vent. Close, close, close. Nasaan na sila? Oh. Huh. Lakad matatag ka, boss. Nope, nope, nope. Thank you. Wait lang. Woo! Ba't parang ang dami kong ginagawa? Tatlo pa. Okay, ay, dalawa sila, oh. Sheesh. Talaga. Kita dyan, boss. Okay, okay. All goods, all goods. No! Oh. Dito. Kuryente. No? Wala. Ito na yan. Wah, bumangon ka agad, boss. Yung camera, boss. Yung camera. No? Bakit yan? Play. Wah! Paano yung vent ba? Close, one. Cameras. Okay. Oh, yun to. Okay. Wait. Parang may naririnig ako. Yung vent. Ba't ayaw mapindot ba, boss? Ba't ayaw bang mapindot? Uy, mapindot ka naman, boss. Wala naman. Okay. Wah! Ha! Boss, ano na? Oops. Uy. Boom.
To any of the cameras. If you look at her for too long, she will break the whole tablet system for quite a while. You won't be able to use the cameras, sound system, and anything. Once that happens, she will move towards you through the vents really fast.
Uy.
If you see her in front of you, look away from her, and she'll go away. Now, if you're fast enough to play the sound system in the camera she's in, she might go back to the stage. If you don't do that, she will be wandering through the whole place waiting for you to see her. That's all for tonight. See ya.
Ang daya naman. Low. Uy, ayaw mapindot sa CCTV. Wait. Wala. Safe na safe. Uy, ayaw mapindot. Okay. Diyan lang kayo. Nakakatakot. Beng. Ay, Beng? Parang may naririnig ako dito. Na! Asan na siya? Nawala naman na siya. Umupo ka dyan. Close. Yes, sir. Ay, close. Oh, haha! Boss. Isa pa. Close ba? Na-close ba? Close. No. So far, so good. Oh, shit. Wait. Gumagalaw na siya, oh. No. Uy, pindutin mo. Bang nangyaya. Uy, shit. Close lang yan. Close. Oy! Malapit ka na, boss. Haha! Kuryente ka, boss. Kuryente ka, boss. Okay. Oh!
Good evening.
お前はもう死んでいる。何？
What?
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
So guys, ito muna natin tatapusin ang Five Nights at Macy's 2. So kung nagustuhan nyo yung video ito, please leave a like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you next episode. Peace. Bye!